Hello friends, thank you for coming in my channel, and this is Arnav Banerjee. It is a Python class. We will discuss about the how the data can be inserted in the database using the Python code. So now we are going to start. The logic of the inserting data in the database is the same as it is for the all other programming language, which is you need to create a connection object, then you need to create a command object, then you just execute the command through the command object and then commit the record and then close the connection. So this is now we will start the all logic to implement it through the Python programming language. First, we need a library which is PyODBC. How the PyODBC is how the PyODBC can be installed in the system. It is already discussed in the previous video. You can refer those. Now we are importing the PyODBC, and then we are going to define a method which is insert data. In the insert data, we have two variables to define the server name and DB name, and then we will go to the connection to create the connection object using the ODBC connect method. Everything is discussed in the all my previous video. What is the connect? What is the query string? So you can refer the previous videos of the also. Now we already created the connection object. Now we are creating the command object. In the Python, the cursor method is giving us the command object. We can create the command object through the cursor method. Now we are here. It is a simple insert query which is written in SQL. And what we'll do? We'll execute the command, then we'll commit the command session, and then we close the session, close the command object, and then we close the connection object. And what we'll do? We have the all things defined in the insert data method, and we'll call the insert data method in the main method, so that it can be called by the Python compiler. So how the name, if the name is main, then please call the insert data. So these are the very simple steps which is to insert data in the database. Okay, so we will execute the command in the through the Python, and okay, fine. The Python the query has been executed, and we will find the all data is inserted in the database. Let me refresh the database. Yes, the Arnav Banerjee is inserted in the table. So the query has been executed and data has been inserted in the database. So this is the simple steps to follow to insert data in the database. Thank you for the day. Thank you for coming.